Does having an insane work ethic pay off? Well, it's time to find out. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to being successful, right, when it comes to reaching your financial goals, some people will tell you it's all about work ethic. It's all about going hard, being consistent. Then some people, like, yeah, you do got to work hard, but mainly it's about luck. You know what I'm saying? It's about who you know, what you know, and timing and all that stuff, right? So I believe that having a strong work ethic is number one, right? Now, granted, a little luck might come into play, but I think ultimately it's all about having a strong work ethic. And having this mindset is why I go so hard. I was talking to my sister last week, and we was on the phone, because she has her own YouTube channel, and we were just talking about, you know, how to build it and strategies and this and that. And I was telling her, I'm like, listen, I'm going to be successful because I'm relentless. I was like, I put out so much content. I was like, it's just I can't help it, right? Like, I'm just obsessed with reaching my goals. And I was telling her, and I never really thought about it, but when I was talking to her, I started adding up like how much content I put out. And I told her, I'm like, damn, I was like, I average putting out 27 videos a week. And like I said, I really didn't even realize it until I was on the phone with her. And I'm like, okay, I put out like 10 videos a week on this channel. I put out like 15 shorts on this channel. I put out 2 videos on my fitness channel. I put out some content on my music channel. And I don't even feel it because I feel like a machine, right? I just feel like you gotta pump out that content. You gotta keep it going. You gotta keep on trying different things, right? Now, if you know anything about putting out videos or being a YouTuber, you know it takes some serious effort to put out 27 pieces of content, all right? And why I do that is because I have goals. I do it because I know the feeling I'm going to get once I reach my goals. That's what drives me. Like, my work ethic is crazy. All right, now I think about people like, you know, the late great Kobe Bryant, who he was known as the Black Mamba. His work ethic was crazy. Michael Jordan's work ethic is crazy. Even in the business world, you look at Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, their work ethic is crazy. I was just watching a video of the comedian Country Wayne. And I mean, I'm kind of a fan, you know what I'm saying? But I was listening to him talk, and he was talking about how him and his team put out 10 to 12 skits every day. Think about that. And I'm like, damn, if these people can do that, why can't I? All these people have serious ass work ethic. And the people I just named are all successful in their industry, right? So that's another thing that drives me to be like, yo, I got to keep going, right? Even the days I put out content and they don't get no views, don't care. Keep it moving, right? Some videos, some content get good views, right? I'm like, all right, cool. I got to keep it going. I got goals. You know what I'm saying? I got to make it happen. So 2 of my biggest goals is building up this YouTube channel and growing my network marketing teams. And I know I can do this, right? I know I can do it because I'm doing it slowly but surely. And I know I have the right mindset because every time I see a video do good, I get excited, right? I want to create more content. Every time I get a new sign up to one of the opportunities I'm involved with, it makes me want to do more. Instead of just saying like, oh, I got a new sign up today and just like, I'm good for the day. No, hell no, right? I'm like, yo, I got to do more. Like, we're nowhere near to the goal yet. We got to keep it going. That is the mindset that I have, and it's just getting stronger and stronger. So if you want to find out if having an insane work ethic actually pays off, you might want to subscribe to this channel and follow your boy. Because even if you don't want to find out the answer, I'm definitely going to.